Welcome to video 5.2, Meet the Players, presenting data with the Card Browser Custom Visual. In the previous video, we took a look at the Data Stories dashboard example. In this video, we'll start with the report we created way back in video 1.5, modifying it into a Customer Profile Explorer. To this end, we'll introduce the Card Browser Custom Visual, which will be integral to telling customer stories. The Card Browser is a baseball card-inspired thumbnail viewer for browsing mixed media data. You can flip cards to see the metadata on the back, click to expand out a reader, or use them in an inline mode. To get started, open up your report from video 1.5 or from Code Files, Section 1 PBIX, open up Customer Data, video 1.5.pbix. First, let's make some room for a customer card. Next, we'll import the Card Browser Custom Visual from the Marketplace. For this one, we'll type card into search and hit enter. It's this one. We'll click Add and OK. Click in the canvas and then click to drop the card. Now for this guy, we'll need to bind customer ID to document ID to identify the individual customers for each card. Title can accept multiple fields, so we'll drag first name and last name. The customer data also includes links to robot avatar images from robohash.org. This site can also generate monsters and kittens. Check it out sometime. We'll use these images as our title images. Our subtitle will be the customer's country, and this one can also accept further fields. So cards have a front face, which you see here, and a back face, like the stats page of a baseball card. Anything we drag to metadata fields winds up on the back. So we'll put their email, street address, and city. You can now use this icon at the top to flip the cards. Now let's create a page to browse the customers. We'll start by copying the card browser that we just set up. Next, hit plus to add a new page. Rename it to Customers, and we'll move it to the first position. It'll be our start page. And while we're here, let's rename page 1 to Profile. It's going to be our details page. Now we can paste the card browser that we just set up and drag it out. Let's leave about 2.5 tiles extra space. Now with 1,000 customers, the tile interface by itself can be a bit much. We can sort it, say by last name. But even still, when dealing with this much data, it helps to organize it into groups. There's another custom visual that can help with this. So we'll go back to Import from Marketplace, and this time look for Facet key. We'll type Facet, enter, and there it is, the first one. Hit Add. OK, then it's imported. Click in the canvas and click to add a facet key. Let's take up the space we left behind for it. So we'll group customers by country, making country our facet. The instance in this case is the customers themselves, so we'll drag full name to instance, and we need one more field, a count, for the little bar charts that facet key creates for you. So we'll drag order count. Now we have a hierarchical visualization with country facets, each containing the top customers in that country. You can rearrange the facets if you like. And you can click a customer to select them. You can multi-select, so for example, it's pretty easy to pull out the top customers in each country. You can then flip the cards to see their metadata. Now be sure to save your work, as we'll be building on it in the next video. In the next video, we'll link our two dashboards together with actions.